We got our 1987 Chevy pickup with a 305 V8, straight pipes, Cobra racing rims, radial TABF Goodrich tires. We got our screw it, I don't care. Yeah, we got our straight pipes coming out the back. Yeah, look at that beauty. Chevy. For the win, we're gonna get a cold start up. This thing's a stick and it hadn't started in a while. So yeah, I'm a little short for this truck. But yeah. Alright. I know that's bad for the motor, but man, it's fun. This is my dad's truck, so I ain't got to worry about it. That's a sexy truck.